Hello guys, welcome to my new YouTube channel Adinoa KE TV. Get ready with me in the Magic Turkana Show. Today, in the Magic Turkana Show, we are focusing on this very amazing tool. It's really an amazing tool. Others do call it in a modern language a fridge. Others do call it a dispenser. But for us in Turkana, we do call it Loturunga, loimanimanitae, kotere, ngakipi. What is so special about this tool? Let's get started to get to know what it takes, how it's made. First, as you can see, this is just a jerrycan wrapped with a sack. A jerrycan wrapped with a sack, and inside it, I can shake water. You can hear the sound of water. I can shake water to mean it is a tool used to store water for human consumption, and it usually makes the water in it so cool that you could think otherwise, but in real sense this is the secret in it. So first, maybe let me just get to taste this water. Is it really cold? As we've been saying, let me pour the water just to taste the water if indeed it is cool. Oh my god, the water indeed is very cool. So this is it, we are talking about it. This is a 5-liter jerrycan. I acquired it at 100 shillings only, saving a lot of thousands of shillings I could have used to purchase a fridge, a dispenser, and the rest. So how does this work? Join me in the next episode. Please subscribe, share, and comment. Bye.